A very good evening to all the viewers. Prachi Srivastav this side presenting you Placement Trends 2020, where we are discussing about hiring patterns and change technology. So today we are very excited because today we are going to talk about, and we are getting vocal for the local. Yes, Hero Motocorp it is. And excited to have a conversation with Mr. Raj Mishra, who is Head Sourcing and Vendor Development, Hero Motocorp. Welcome, sir. Access Tech.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mike.
So, sir, whenever we talk about these days engineering patterns and, a kind of curiosity to know whether these technical companies or industry, especially we talk about automobiles, whether what they are, their strategy, what they are looking for, their skill set. And of course, when we talk about electrical, electronics and mechanical engineering, what is the future of these grads? And, we have already seen this automobile sector. It's a curve technology which we are coming into, and a lot many changes we have developed. So especially, is there any kind of segment you want to know? And before that, I would like to request you that, elaborate your journey from an engineering intern to a head. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Prachi. Very good evening to all ignited minds sitting there and listening to me. Today, I can recall my days when I graduated in engineering. I think I'm audible. My voice is clear. Am I audible
Yes,
to
sir.
everybody now? Okay. So I still remember the day when I got graduated and joined my first company as a GET. So there was a lot of question in my mind that after doing engineering for 4 years, what would happen and how the industry will be like, what will be the difference, what we have taught in college and what is going to be industry and how we are going to perform as an engineer. If I talk about very frankly that whenever we go to engineering colleges and study a lot of technical stuff, and we come out with a pre-notion that I'm going to build up a rocket and be a automobile. If a guy is from a mechanical background, he will.
Sir, I request you to a bit, high for the vocals. Yeah.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the guy who comes from a mechanical background, he will always think that he's going to build up some big rocket and going to give something very exciting to the society. But actually, frankly, if you talk to me, that industry is a bit different. What we study in colleges, they are not. We cannot replicate and correlate with the industries, right? If you talk about today's scenario, I belong from manufacturing company, and we never thought of working from home, right? That working from home was never a era for any manufacturing industry, especially if you talk about the automotive industry. I remember in the month of April when we started working from home, it was very new for us, and it is common for IT industries, for consultancies, everywhere. It is very much common that people are working and delivering from home or anywhere. You want to have a laptop and you can do your work. But if you talk about manufacturing industry like us, it was never, nobody even thought of that they will be working from home. And if they will work, if I remember at the starting of April and May that the differential has started with a very different, set of business scenario. And we thought that how we will be able to perform, how we are going to, as a manufacturing people, how we can work from home. But trust me, it has this COVID period has given a new lesson for us. And we, as an industry, if we talk about, we are doing fairly well. Market is booming in terms of automobile, especially for two-wheelers. And we learned that if by working from home as well, we can do wonders. It's not that manufacturing people cannot do work from home. That's true that for manufacturing you have to be on lines. So those people are there, those who are directly involved with the manufacturing. But those who are supporting them, they can work from home and they are doing very well. So this is the COVID has given a new era, to new way of direction of thinking to we manufacturing people. So why this I want to say that any mishappening or anything which is not favorable to you, it can be opportunity if you look to that phase of the coin, right? So this is how this negative environment has turned positive towards business scenario. And as far as if we talk about my journey specifically from graduate to the current position which I am holding, it was really exciting, and it will be exciting for every graduate, those who are going to pass out. I know that those who are passing out this year or next year, they must be having a pre-notion in their mind that situation will
Excuse me,
not
sir, I'm just interrupting you
yeah
in between. Your face, please make a visibility towards that and a chord from the car.
yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah, a bit loud,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So, if you talk about my specific journey, it was really exciting. I started being an engineer. I would, worked for 1 year within manufacturing. So Aditya Birla Group, and then I moved for my MBA
Uh,
where I thought,
sir, again, your voice is not audible as of now. A bit loud.
yeah, it's okay now.
It's okay now.
Okay, okay. Then I was telling that specifically my journey, I left my engineering core engineering background after working for 1 year or 1.5 year. I went for MBA, and then after doing my MBA, I joined Hero MotoCorp from campus, and it was for me it was like a being a techno commercial type of person. I thought that engineering, I don't know engineering will work for me as an education or not, but literally I realized that the whatever you do any after doing engineering you can go for any courses, but engineer is always engineer from the back of the mind, right? The kind of approach you develop during those 4 years when you work for and the kind of speed of delivery in very less amount of time, that remains with you all over the life. That matters a lot, and I'm sure today also after 10 15 years, I am sure that the engineering way of the engineering college people are still doing in the same way that what was happening the 10 to 15 years ago.
Of course, the
So
pattern, these days also pattern is pretty much changed. And as you say, that industry has also, adopt the technology as far as after this, COVID thing. But still, the technocrats and the colleges are also coming up with some new strategy. Of course, we are providing the online platforms to all the students, and we're talking about the learning techniques. It has elaborated in such a manner that, especially from the corporate insights, the people are being taught, and apart from their university syllabus, presently at SysTech, we are presenting all these courses which are demanding from the market side, and that's why we have organized such a huge session of 15 days. Like, everybody has to know from the expert itself, like, what all changes you have developed in the market scenario, because from a particular side it is really hard to say and predict about the things, but from company and corporate sides, you people will be the better moderator for us. Like, you can ask our students and suggest them what all technologies would be coming, and so that our people will be able to generate some electrified technology, so that we can diverse all these things to our students as well. And they are coming up with some latest technology, and they work towards it to secure their career and to enhance their knowledge as well. So, sir, any
okay,
specific roles you would like to elaborate as far as automobile sectors are concerned? Especially we talk about the Hero MotoCorp.
okay. See, if you talk about Hero MotoCorp, it's a very much
Sir, Accord.
upcoming.
Sir,
Sorry.
a bit loud.
If you talk about Hero MotoCorp, that's we as a Hero MotoCorp, it's a very young company after getting separated from Honda. Basically. So we are very energetic. It's a very energetic company because market. If you go for the market scenario, we are having a good market share
Uh,
as well.
Sir, we are still not,
Okay.
making out. Yeah,
Okay. That's okay.
not yet.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So see, as a company, if you see, Hero is well-known brand in the market because we have a very young and energetic, technology background. where we have very young engineers team. Those are working for R&D, marketing everywhere. So we are able to differentiate in market for sure. If you talk about what we look after for any graduate who's coming to a company, it's the only thing is open mind. Mind should be, it's not what we have read. See, our courses are very much old. Whatever I read 10 years back, I think that same thing is going on right now also. But if you, as in a college, if you can provide people skill related to project management, how it is going to go. See, if any graduate joins to company, it's not going to, everybody is not going to the engineering field. Engineering is something like R&D. If you talk about automobile engineering, you would get to apply your engineering skill only in R&D and technical side. Rest all is a managerial work after doing even engineering. So the project management type of courses and latest like this COVID has given this online situation, that online you can work, online you can deliver. So better to learn and know about the latest technology in terms of communication. That will definitely help all those who are about to come into the industry and those going to be exposed with this. What I say, it's the electronic era of the industry. So that can be done. But if any students having different type of question in the mind, I can pick up and I will try to answer if they have any, uh,
Yeah.
back of the mind, they have any doubt or question that
Okay.
is related to the current scenario of the
Yeah.
industry.
So, sir, we are having our first question. Student is asking that will Hero Motor will provide electric vehicle in recent times. So, since we can see that the market is
Yeah,
getting
definitely.
dynamic day by day, yeah, everybody else is shifting their focus on electrical vehicles. So, what about Hero Motors?
Yeah, Hero is definitely working on that, and they will definitely come up with electric vehicles very soon. Electric vehicle technology is not complex than the IC engines. So, being to come up with electric vehicle is not a big thing. Definitely will come up. The only thing is the wait is how the market will behave, how the our infrastructure will behave against the electrification of the vehicles. That is more important. It is not going to efficient. But definitely we are working and will come up with electric vehicle for sure.
All right, that's great to hear about that. That Hero MotoCorp is looking into this particular tangent, and especially whenever time comes, it will be a part of deliverables from Hero MotoCorp. Secondly, I just want to elaborate one particular thing, sir. Whenever we talk about this intern strategy, so you have also started your career towards an intern strategic engineering. So, can you please elaborate about that? What all roles and activities you were performing those days? Is that any kind of change we can see that particular years to if we compare to this year?
See, I have a very different view. If you talk about any graduate joins as an intern to any big company, frankly speaking, you won't get much thing to learn, because in a big companies, interns are only not given very good chance to learn and interact. But if you join middle level companies and small company, you will get a good chance to learn, right? Because I started my career with the big companies only, so I can elaborate you. So starting 1 or 2 years, you will get chance to understand. It's a very it's a good big sea of things there, and to understand and know after, because you cannot relate with industry with the college. Whatever we do in college, whatever we study, the college can give you the backup how it. How you will going to react in the company scenario. You can open your mind. Actually, it really ignites your mind. Thing else. So if you talk about the intern, yeah, definitely big companies give you opportunity to get bigger idea, but it's not you will not get big chance to learn more of the things, because their profiles are very much specific. You will be given only one thing to do. Second thing for this, you have to wait for that. So I would say that if somebody wants looking to learn in initial career, they can look for the middle level companies. There they can get chance to work in different section and departments in any very early of the career. That is always good to learn very fast and quickly.
Right. So actually, a voice is pretty much low. So I will repeat your thought to my students. Whenever you start a journey for the internship, prior to days, if we talk about, past 10 years or something, where that particular time, challenges were big. And if you talk about the hiring interns on a particular technical field, a lot many challenges a particular intern has to face. For example, learning technologies, the development issues, the research categories, and all these things will be available only from a bigger authority. And talking about those authority, they have certain time limits, and it is not necessary that they will deliver all the things with a particular duration. But this time, if we can see, it's kind of mandatory technology that you should learn, because you are a fresher, and once you have already decided to go for a particular industry and learn technology, it is mandatory to you that learn from the corporate side, because it is good that you are getting all the knowledge from the books and readings and refreshers, but it is very much necessary to apply that particular knowledge in a given space of time what all corporates are offering. And if you have already started learning, have patience that you will develop a particular skill set based on those learnings itself. So challenges are bigger than past years. This time you have all the things available for you. For example, you can go online, you can learn a lot many skill set, and you can uh, you know uh, get ready for a power pack engineering. But still you have to focus on one particular technology, and you should not be break it on a particular drugs. If you are continuing for one thing, continue for the long. Don't break it. And of course, when you talk about the internship, learn things and make your career in a particular field. This is for sure. Yeah. So, Ikansh, do we have another question from the student side?
Yeah. So one of the student is asking, what are those two qualities that you are looking for fresher level candidates or for intern level candidates? Like, what are those two core qualities that you as an organization are looking for in individuals?
Flexibility and energetic.
Okay. That's so cool. Flexibility and
Energetic.
energetic. That's
Energy
so
level
cool.
should be very much high because today's is very
Yeah.
fast era. You cannot wait. So these
This is
two are
so
the most.
common in our recent talks, like we being from this particular side of the institute, we always said that people are looking for some greater skill set, and students should know about a number of skills to be a part of particular corporate. But this is good that you talk about the personality development traits, and especially you're talking about energy, the multitasking, and the flexibility of the students. There is one thing which all these students must know, that there is no time to work for the corporates. If you say 8 hours, 10 hours, 1 hour or 2 hour, this is all myth, because corporates need a power pack, a kind of superhuman from the engineering point of view, or we can say any of the professional category. So it's good to say that. And now, sir, I would personally like to request you that placements are a very crux thing which a student can facilitate about. They can ask their career abilities and portfolio them from the seventh semester itself. So, being a non-NIT institutes, we are also looking up for some very good corporates so that our engineers would get a proper development scenario, and they can also avail some benefits which is provided by as far as their careers are concerned. So each and every corporate is up for the learning segment, but when we ask about some life projects or something, as you said that in this COVID era, being from the manufacturing industry would be in a position to work from home and develop something really good. We do have our segmented engineers who are very good in ANSYS, and who are developing their skill set in CATIA and AutoCAD. Especially they are working on the designing patterns. So yes, anything Hero Motocorp is looking for this particular bracket.
Prachi, if you talk it frankly, Hero Motocorp don't do outsourcing of any. We don't give any live or some project to outsiders because it is something we work on to some latest technology. So confidentiality matters a lot, right? So we cannot. We don't have such program like this. We give some projects to the campuses and colleges, but that has very near you know relation with the reality what we do inside our company. So as of now, no. But yes, if students, those who are very good in CATIA and designing, as you earlier somebody has asked that EV is about to come. So my suggestion would be EV after EV introduction to the India in two-wheeler segment will be more towards the sketching and designing of the two-wheelers because engine will have no role to play and complexity will be reduced. To design EV, you have to be very much open-minded for the designing of the vehicle, outer flesh of the vehicle, not with the engine, because there is no engine inside it. It's only motor-based mechanism. So those who are good in CATIA and designing, and they think that they want to make their career in designing, they can try their hand. There are a hell lot of things are available online. They can try their hand and try to make some models in design and keep submitting. There are opportunity available because we as a company also try to manage the many shows in which different colleges student. There is no criteria like NIT, non-NIT. It doesn't matter. We give chance to everybody. Anybody can come and show their talent. So whenever such type of programs happens, I don't see this year because this COVID it will going to happen, but it happens. Keeps on happening. Even online platform maybe will be available. At that time, people can show that their talent can be seen.
Yeah, that would be a very good message to all the viewers that Hero Motocorp is never distinguished between ITs and ITs or the non-category students, or you can say the private colleges. Rather, you always focus on the talent, and that's why I guess last year you have come up with a very innovative challenge, that 7 stages in a particular thing, and you're offering a particular placement opportunity to them. But the selection process has to combined with 7 stages, where I can see a puzzle round was there. We can say the arithmetic progression was there, and a number of stats and quants questions were there. And your strategically portfolio, like students will involve not with the pen and paper, but from the mindset and the technology upgradation. And even then, each and every student involves in a particular decision making, so that you can also boost up their leadership quality. So it was very innovative challenge, and are we actually looking for such kind of challenges to this year as well?
See, coming year, this year, everything is closer. Definitely, it will be there. Opportunity is always there. The company will come out with new things, and definitely it will be there. But I cannot give right now what is happening.
We can say it is too early to say or predict
it's too early to say
that.
anything.
Yes,
The coming
yes.
year because this year is very much different for every industry. But definitely, once this era is over, it will be a lot of opportunity will be there because whatever uh, recruitment and whatever opportunity was supposed to come this year, it is going to be postponed for the coming year. Definitely, when it things are over, a lot of opportunity will be available, and those who are talented, they will definitely get the chance to come.
That's good to see. If the audibility is not clear to the student, I would like to repeat a particular point. Like whenever we talk about the specification of these campus placements and everything, the student must be aware that a profile and roles which is offering from a graduate engineer trainee, it has to be a multitasking profile you have to look for. It is not only a technical part, but also a leadership. It is also a risk taking. It is also a risk management. It is also coming up the decision making ability. And of course, your attitude must play a very vital role in that particular thing. And once you will be prepared on all these things, any company out there is ready to take up your challenges. Every company, whenever we talk about either post COVID, pre COVID, or the continuous phases of stages, one thing will never be getting down and or letting you down is a go-getter attitude. And second thing, you have to opt, like everything has to be a commercialized, and you have to take your participation towards revenue generation. This is a one particular thing each and every engineer should understand and look. Very beautiful session when you have provided us some beautiful insights. So as due to lack of audibility from got. So I would like to initiate this phase. I will summarize all the brackets which Raj has given us. Number one, Hero MotoCorp is already working in an automobile sector, and yes, this particular time we are talking about, the core manufacturing industry where all these students adopt this technology and they can also start work from home. Number two, industry is open to hire the fresher graduates, but it depends. And in the later stage of this phase, for example, October or November, MotoCorp will be in a position to provide you some challenges or the interns. Third thing, there anything which a particular company will be looking for is not dependent upon how good you are at the technical part. Yes, of course, it is a one trait, but beyond that, you should be very much progressive towards your attitude and your performance. Always opt for a go-getter attitude so that each and every industry will inculcate you as a good human being and you will be a set to them. If talking about the preparation, talking about automobile, yes, you have to concentrate on designing part and you have to concentrate on the basic mechanical engineering part so that, yes, of course, it's an electrical vehicle segment. So Hero MotoCorp will early stage to say about this. So it is much more better that you could continue with all the learning abilities. So, thanking you for joining.
Thank you, Prachi.